everybody, welcome back to the craft room. I am so glad that you can join me. I have some happy mail to share with you, and I also have received my Mary Maxim December Knit Club of the Month kit. There we go. I forget what that is. Had little troubles with the Knit Club of the Month, but we got it all settled, and we should be good to go. So let's start out with the happy mail. I have received a couple of Christmas cards from some viewers. And this first Christmas card is from Lenora, and it's pretty little, I'm not used to my laptop here. Pretty little card, it's got a nice little star on the back, and the front says believe, and on the inside it says enjoy the wonder of the season, and she wrote Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and wrote me a nice little note inside. So thank you for that Christmas card, Lenora. I appreciate the card, and I appreciate you watching my channel. The other Christmas card that I got was this cute little postcard. If you guys can see that. This is from Roseanne. So thank you, Roseanne, for sending this. I do appreciate you sending the card, and I also appreciate you watching my videos in my channel and commenting. I know you comment a lot. I don't know if Lenora comments or not, but if you do, I appreciate the comments as well. And Roseanne, yes, I appreciate your comments. So let's move right on into the Knit Club of the Month. I have already opened this because I could not wait. But here is the Mary Maxim Knit Club of the Month. And if you haven't watched my previous video, I stated that I decided to join the Knit Club of the Month because I want to improve my knitting skills and learn new knitting skills. And I figured this was the best way to do it because everything I would need is provided in the kit except for the knitting needles, which for the most part, I think I should be okay with the knitting needles because I have a lot of straight needles. I've got a nice selection of circular needles. If I don't have what I need, I guess I will just have to either go buy or, do something else with the yarn. But anyway, here's what I got. This is, all of them come in a nice little zipper package as well. And this is a smaller package than last month, and I will be doing a separate video on my progress with last month's kit. So be watching for that as well. But in this kit, we got 2 different patterns, and we got 3 different colors of, 3 different skeins of yarn. It's my rocking chair. There are 2 skeins, and all of this is the Red Heart Hygge. I guess that's how you pronounce it, the Hygge. So, I've never used this. I've heard about it, and I've seen videos of other people that have used it, but I have never seen it, and I have never used it. But it is definitely a fuzzy little yarn. I don't know how well look to that. It picks that up pretty good. You can see the fuzzies on that. But I have 2 skeins of this smoky. And it's kind of it looks black to me on the screen, but it's actually kind of a gray color, a dark gray color, kind of like smoke. And then the other skein that I have, same thing, only this is hot pink. And that one looks about right on the screen to me. I love how soft this stuff is. I really like how soft this stuff is. But I got the 2 different colors because there are 2 different patterns that will be using this yarn. The black for one pattern and the pink for the other pattern. The 2 patterns are, for the not black, it's the smoky. We'll be doing this knit cowl. And the pink, which this is a Mary Maxim pattern. And then the pink, we'll be doing this cozy style knit hat, which is a Red Heart. Can't see my screen. Which is a Red Heart or Yarn Inspirations pattern. Which that's pretty cool. I've seen a lot of people wear hats that look like that. And it's just a combination of knits and purls. So that shouldn't be too bad. And this cowl is the same. It is, let's see, knit, purl. Sounds like that's all it is, knit and purl. And I think you do this in the round. No? Yep, circular. It doesn't say, let's see. Well, I haven't read the pattern completely all the way, but I'm going to guess that's probably done in a round. And obviously, I will probably do that in a round unless it says to do it flat. But I hope it's not flat. I don't like flat hats. So this is my Mary Maxim December kit. Looking forward to getting my shawl done so that I can work on this. But in the meantime, it is going to be put somewhere, maybe up there on my new shelf, until I get a chance to work on it. So thank you guys for joining me here in the craft room, and I will see you right back here for my next video.